Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Kingdom of Learning is a platform where you are provided not only educational videos, rather this is the one-stop destination for authentic and valid educational news also. So if you want to get latest updates related to the field of education, do subscribe to the channel fast. So now we come to the latest update of yesterday only, that government has announced that the students of classes 9th and 12th are allowed to go to their schools from 21st November. But this thing is creating so much confusion. So there are so many things which are providing doubt in the minds of the parents and students. One thing is that many parents are thinking whether the schools are going to open fully or few students are allowed. Another thing is they are confused whether they should send their children to the schools or not, because the whole decision has been left on the shoulders of the parents only, because it has been provided by the guidelines that students will be allowed to the school only after the due written permission from the parents. Means if parents want to send their children to school, they can send. So now the parents are really getting confused what to do and what not to do, because if they will send their children to the school, definitely there is the risk of getting infected by the virus, and if they will not send their children, then there is another problem that the studies of their children will be hampered. So here in this video I'm going to provide all clarification related to this news. So watch it till last and listen to everything very carefully. So the most important thing is that actually government has announced that schools are not going to open fully from 21st September. Only the students of classes 9th to 12th, and that too in small groups, are allowed to go. Means whole class will not be called, and you have to contact the schools of your children that what schedule they have prepared for that. This is the whole responsibility of the schools to maintain, to make arrangements for the safety and security of the children and all. So one more confusion was created just 2 days back by the health ministry. Means when the health ministry announced their guidelines for schools and school students, then this created another doubt ki are the schools going to open completely, that these guidelines are being provided. So here the clarification is that the health ministry has provided these guidelines only for the students of 9th to 12th, those who are willing to go to their schools. And one more thing, that many parents are thinking that what about online classes then? Means if they will send their children to school, whether the online classes will be held or not. So the answer is online classes will go on. They will resume. They will continue. This 9th to 12th classes from 21st September is only for those children who are not able to understand any topic in online class, so they can go to their schools to meet their teachers to clarify their doubts and all. So all these things should be kept in mind. So parents need not get hesitant to send their children to school, because they will be sent in the number of 4 to 5 children at a time only in one class. So there is no need to get afraid. So if children are interested to go to school, they can go. And first of all, schools should make everything clear to the parents and students. So thank you everybody. Do share this video with others also, and don't forget to like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.